ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 13th mantra we are seeing, page number 368. In Bhashya, yesterday we saw the word abadheya. So before that there was a question, nanu in tika etasya iti etat shabdena, first line in tika. एतस्य इति एतत् शब्देन प्रजात्वेन उक्तस्य प्राणस्य किमिति न ग्रहणं तत्राह. So Prajapati has created Saptanna. In them, one of them is Prana, which is Annam. And then another Prana Grahanam is there, which is in the form of Praja. So that's why in Bhashya it was given Etasya Prakritasya Prajapatya Annasya Pranasya. Etasya means that which is among the 7 prana, which is among one of the 7. That we have to take, not na praja uktasya anantar nirdishtasya apah anantar nirdishtasya, which is given in Tika also. Not that. That we don't have to take. The mukhya, the first one which is created, that we have to take, that prana. And it was said, this prana has apaha as its shariram, jalam is its shariram, and jyoti rupam is chandrama. Chandra, so chandrama is adheya and jalam is adharam sharira. Like in our body, if you say body is the support and in that body something is residing for its expression. So sharira is adhara and in that adhara something will be adheya. So that is what is given here. Jalam, jaliya sharira is adhara. Chandrama, which is the jyoti, is the adheya. Therefore, abadheyaha, abadheyaha, apsu, adheyaha, abadheyaha. Up to that we saw in the third line in Bhashya. 368, you got the page number? Further, tasu, apsu, anupravishtaha, करणभूतो अध्यात्मम अधिभूतंच तावद व्याप्तिमान एव. तासु अनुप्रविष्टः करणभूतो अध्यात्मम अधिभूतं च, that which is adhyatma and adhibhuta means that which is within an individual sharir also and that which is in the external world also, that is this prana pervading everywhere. Tavad vyaptiman eva, up to that it pervades. टीका 5th line. वांग मनः प्राणानाम आदिदैविक रूपेण उपासनम विधातुम वृत्तं कीर्तयति. Vang, mana and prana, these are the three annam which are discussed at the end. These three, their adhidaivika rupena upasanam is vidhanam is being done. Adhidaivika rupena means that which is the devata rupena vang manah prana. So this whole topic is for upasanam, and that's why you will see prakaranam is also upasanam, and in mantra you will see that the one who does this or one who knows this will get some phalam. That phalam will be anitya phalam. So you know it is upasana phalam. It will not be nitya phalam. तानि एतानि पित्रा पांक्तेन कर्मणा सृष्टानि त्रीणि अन्नानि वाङ्मनः प्राणाख्यानि. By Prajapati using pankta karma, these are created. This panktena karmana srishtani. How many annani? How many Prajapati created? Sapta. Sapta annani. Here only three are mentioned. Trini annani. Vangmana pranakhyani. Etebhyo, in Bhashya further, Adhyatmam adhibhutam cha jagat samastam etair vyaptam न एतेभ्यो अन्यद अतिरिक्तम किंचित अस्ति कार्यात्मकम करणात्मकम वा. Adhyatmam and adhibhutam, that which is within individual, that which is outside. Entire jagat, adhyatmam adhibhutam cha jagat, samastam etaihi vyaptam. By this alone, the whole jagat is pervaded. This jagat shabda, for that there is a sutra, but it is not Panini Sutra, it is Unadi Sutra. वर्तमाने पृषद बृहन महद जगत छत्रुवच्च. दिस इज द सूत्र. वर्तमाने पृषद बृहन महद जगत छत्रुवच्च. So all these, their Nipatanam is there. Number is 284, 2.84. The entire Jagat is pervaded by this. Other than this, there is nothing. Means everything is Vang Mana Prana. How everything is Vang Mana Prana? Whatever that you can know through mind, whatever you can speak about it, and their karyam is prana. Prana is praja of Vang and Mana, these two. So everything karyatmakam, karanatmakam. Karya means anything in the form of effect. And karana means anything that is used as a nimitta, as an instrument. All of this is nothing but these three only, Vang, Mana, Prana. So this bhavana I have to do. With this, what will happen? Nothing will look as any different, anything new. In other Upanishads also such thing comes. So what the result of this kind of upasana is, I will not have any mahatva buddhi in any namarupa. Or that reducing mahatva buddhi will result in not giving too much satyatva buddhi, that this is satyam, satyam. When that becomes weaker, then it is mithya, this buddhi can come. So if karya becomes unimportant, then karana is where my drishti will go. If karya is important, if ghata is important, then mrittika I will never see. So I will say mrittika ityeva satyam, but it doesn't come to me. Further, in टीका एतेभ्यो अतिरिक्तम अधिष्ठानम अस्ति इति आशंक्य विषिनष्टि कार्यात्मकम करणात्मकम. Other than this, अतिरिक्तम अधिष्ठानम means this alone is appearing as karya. This alone is appearing as karana, and therefore adhishthanam is not different from these two. Like mrittika alone is appearing as ghata patadi, so their adhishthanam is not different from all these. They all are this only. प्रजापति ही एतेभ्यो अतिरिक्तो अस्ति इति आशंका. Somebody says, okay, Prajapati created Vang, Mana, Prana ityadi. Tadrupam is all Jagat. But Prajapati is different from all these. This is the question. In Bhashya, Samastani tu etani Prajapatihi. Te eva Vang, Mana, Pranaha. Sarva eva Samaha. Tulya Vyapti Mantaha. All of this is Prajapati only. Means Mula Karanam, from which all this Karya. Mula Karanam means in this context. This Prajapati, Hiranyagarbha alone is all this. Samastani tu etani Prajapatihi. Ta ete means te ete Vangmana Pranaha. Sarva eva Samaha. All this is Vangmana Prana and they are equal in all. So they have Samana Vyapti. Samaha Tulya Vyapti Mantaha. Yavat Prani Gocharam Sadhyatmadibhutam. Sadhyatmadibhutam. How will you do Samasa Vigraha?
Saha adhyatmam cha adhibhutam.
Whenever there is such pada, first you have to do Vigraha of later part. That sa part you leave first. Two things are there here. Adhyatma, Adhibhuta. Adhyatmancha, Adhibhutancha iti.
Adhyatma adhibhutam.
Adhibhutau, how? Pay attention to what I am saying. Adhyatmancha, Adhibhutancha. Adhyatma, Adhibhute. Then ताभ्याम सह इति स अध्यात्मादिभूतम. Adhyatma and Adhibhuta together along with them. Yavat Prani Gocharam. Sadhyatma Adhibhutam Vyapya Vyavasthita eva. Vyavasthita Ata eva Ananta Yavat Sansara Bhavino Hite. Therefore, they are Anant, infinite. All the expressions, wherever Yavat Prani Gocharam means, whatever that you can imagine, all of that is this only, which becomes Vishaya for any Jiva at any time. See, this whole objective is, instead of thinking of so many objects, they are cut down to 7 or 3. That you just see Vang, Mana, Prana. So when my attention has come to few, then I can go to one. So this buddhi in Bhagavad Purana, Ramayana also same. The idea is same, that somehow you have to bring that one common factor and see if my buddhi goes to that more and less to the differences. With other people also, do I see more and more common thing, or do I see more and more how that person is different, how that person, I am so different with all of them? Where is my attention? So if my attention goes on, we all are one, we all are one, we all are one, then gradually you will be able to move up. If you go on paying attention to how everything is different, how everybody is different, that is good for doing worldly progress. For spiritual progress, you have to come to one. If you want to see Vibhuti of Paramatma in all, you need list, and I am, God is in this, God is in this is Vibhuti. But if you want to see one in all, that is Vishwarupa. In one alone, everything is. अतएव अनंता यावत् संसार भाविनो हिते, यावत् संसार भाविनः, 4 नंबर टिप्पणी, अनेन सापेक्षम नित्यत्वम एतेषाम उक्तम. Relatively, as long as this world is there, these three will be there. Vang, Mana, Prana. So relatively they are eternal, but not absolutely. In Tika, sopaskaram vrittam anudya vakyam adaya vyachaste. Sopaskaram, 5 number tippani. Sopakaranam sangopangam chodya parihara samalankritam iti yavat. Sopakaranam. Sopakaranam means, Upakarana means all the additional things that we have. So here Upakarana means Anga Upanga, all the parts and subparts. Sangopangam Chodya Parihara Samalankritam. So the ideas which are explained so far. Chodya Parihar means Shanka Samadhana. Objection, explanation, refutation, whatever. So with all of this, everything is explained. Sangopangam, Vrittam Anudya, Vakyam Adaya Vyachaste. Achaste. What is the Bahuvachanam? Or Achaste is Bahuvachanam?
Chashtate.
Chashtate. Which Rupa is this? There is no Chashtate. Chaste, Chakshate, Chakshate. In Bhashya, we already saw the ete. Tulyang vyaptimeva vyanakti yavaditi. Tulya vyapti means they are saman. Vang, mana, prana, equally they pervade everything. Tavad ashesham jagad vyapya iti yojana. Yavat prani gocharam tavad ashesham jagad vyapya. All of this world is pervaded by this. Tulya vyapti matvam upajivya aha. What is the result of saman vyapti for Vang, Mana, Prana? He says anantaha. Their expressions are infinite of Vang, Mana, Prana. Whatever is there in the samsara, as long as samsara is there, they are there in this way. In Bhashya, Tesham yavat samsara bhavitvam abhivyanakti. Tesham yavat samsara bhavitvam. As long as samsara is there, how? So that is explained. in Bhashya, nahi karya karana pratyakhyānena samsaro avagamyate. कार्य करण प्रत्याख्यानेन संसारो न अवगम्यते. If you do, what is meant is, in the world we recognize only many objects. What is samsara or what is this jagat? Is so many karyas, so many karana. Karya karana is there. If you remove karya karana, samsara is not recognized. Samsara means jagat is not recognized. So that is what is said. कार्य करण प्रत्याख्यानेन, 1 number टिप्पणी, प्रत्याख्यानम means without them, refuting them, eliminating all the effects and the instruments, you will not be able to recognize jagat as that which is made up of plurality. So samsaro na avagamyate. In टीका, कार्य करणयोर यावत् संसार भावित्वे अपि प्राणानां किम आयातम अतः आह. कार्य करणयोः यावत् संसार भावित्वे अपि, कार्य करण यावत् संसार भावी, as long as it is there. Prananam kim ayatam, but we were talking about prana. Now what is this discussion? Let them be there everywhere. Atah कार्य करणात्मका हिते इति उक्तम. Therefore these are कार्य करणात्मका. वांग मन प्राण are कार्य करणात्मका. Means they alone become all karya, they alone become all karana. Teshu parichinnattvena dhyane dosham. Now these three you can meditate in two ways, either in the form of all finite things or in the form of infinite things. Infinite things means not infinite objects, that they are pervading everywhere. Therefore, they are infinite, relatively. So, there anityatva dhyanam and nityatva dhyanam. So, parichinnattvena dhyanam, if you do, what is the dosha? You will get parichinna phalam. Aparichinnattvena, unconditioned, means they are infinite. In this way, when you do dhyanam, then you will get aparichinna phalam. That is given in Bhashya now. Sa yaha kaschid एतान कश्चिद एतान प्रजापतेः आत्मभूतान अंतवतः परिच्छिन्नान अध्यात्म रूपेण वा अधिभूत रूपेण वा उपास्ते स च तदुपासना अनुरूपमेव फलम अंतवंतम लोकयति न एतेषाम आत्मभूतो भवति इत्यर्थः. If my attention is on finite thing, स यह कश्चिद एतान प्रजापतेः आत्मभूतान antavataha, which have end, means any object which has some beginning, it will lose its existence in some short time. They are all parichinna. Parichinnan adhyatma rupena va adhirupena va upaste. As adhyatma means within oneself or outside in the external world. Such a tad upasana anurupam eva phalam. His result will be according to his upasana. Upasana means don't think it is something special or different. Upasana means chintanam. When they say tam yatha yatha upasate tadeva bhavati, means whatever chintanam you do, that is what you will get. Or like how they say at the time of death, antakale, whatever you think you will get, means that is what your upasana has been. You've been thinking about it all along, so you will get that. So upasana means not that I sit down and do something vishesha. My attention always goes on something parichinna, something which creates bheda, something which has distinction. Means how this is different from other things. This is where if my attention keeps going, I will get parichinna phala. Means my any prapti will be short lived. After some time it will go away. After some time it will go away. On the other hand, if my attention goes on that which is everlasting or more common in so many things, so even if, for example, this hand, let us say, so this hand pervades all five. So even if something is not there, let's say this finger is not there, it's still there. The hand is pervading, even if this finger is not there, it is. So one nama rupa, even if it is not available, it is present in others. So that is called aparichinna phalam. Parichinna phalam means because my attention is only on one. So if that is not there, I think what I was thinking is not there. It is there. In a different way, it is there. It is a famous story, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Sharda, Mother Sharda. So when he had cancer and he was totally bedridden and there were hardly any time, I think. So she had some tears, sorrow. And he said, I'm just going to next room. Why are you crying? Means in this form I will not be available, but I am just in other place. What is there? So this buddhi, that what I am used to one nama rupa is not there, but not that it is not there at all. Whole Satkaryavada we study is for this only. It is manifest, unmanifest, then again it will manifest. And Mahatmas, they are eternal. Brahma Rupena. So, if such person does upasana with finite thing, then antavantam lokam jayati. Parichinna eva jayate. He will become finite because his attention was on finite. Na etesham atma bhuto bhavati. He does not become the self of this vangmana prana. टीका एवं पातनिकां कृत्वा विवक्षितम उपासनम उपदिशति. Patanika means is the introduction. Means this is not the main thing that Upanishad wants to teach. Upanishad wants to teach the next part. That is why it is called Vivakshitam Upasanam. Vivaksha means Vaktum Ichha. What Upanishad wants to say is that don't meditate on Parichinnatva or the Karyatmaka, Karanatmaka, etc. So what is that? See in Bhashya, Adha. पुनर् योह एतान अनंतान सर्वात्मकान सर्वप्राण्यात्म भूतान अपरिच्छिन्नान उपास्ते. So anantamev lokam jayati. The one who meditates on anant, infinite, which is sarvatmaka, of the nature of all, sarva prani atma bhutan, which is atma bhuta of all prani, means which is the self of all. Self of all here does not mean Satchidananda, that Vangmana Prana is there in all in this way. That of all, this Vangmana Prana is there. That is Sarva Prani Atma Bhutan. Aparichinan Paste, the one who does Upasana of Aparichinna, then Saha Anantameva Lokam Jayati. He will get Ananta Loka. Ananta Loka means later he will get the Upasana Phalam as Ananta Loka. Mukhya Phalam is every now and then he will not feel, oh, I lost this, oh, this is not with me, that is not, because it is everything is there. My attention was on very finite thing. That one finite thing is not available. In other forms it is there. The complaining nature will not be there. Further now, 14th mantra. Annatraye phalavad ध्यान विषये व्याख्याते वक्तव्य अभावात किम उत्तर ग्रंथेन इति आशंक्य वृत्तम कीर्तयति. Somebody is Purva Pakshi, he says, so everything is over now. Why you have to teach more? The out of Saptanna, you said three are remaining. Vang, Mana, Prana. You explained that. What is the phalam of that upasana? That also you said. Annatraye Yakhyate. Phalavad Dhyana Vishaye. And along with the phalam, that their dhyan, Annatraya is Dhyana Vishaya. Vang, Mana, Prana is the object of Chintanam. Vyakhyate. Now, Vaktavya Bhavat. Now, what is there to talk? There is nothing to talk. Therefore, what is there in the next further text now? Uttar Granthena Kim? Iti Ashankya Vrittam Kirtayati. What was said earlier, he explains. Vrittam Kirtayati. Pita. Bhashya. Mantra will come little later. Pita Pangtena Karmana Saptannani Srishtva Treni Annani Atmartham Akarot iti Uktam. Tani etani pangta karma phala bhutani vyakhyatani. It was said that Pita with the pangta karma means
Yajamana Patni Putra Manusham Vittam Daivam Vittam.
Manusham with. Did you say Manasam or Manusham?
Manusham. Sir.
Yajamana Patni Putra Manusham Vittam Daivam Vittam. With the help of these five, Pangtena Karmana, Saptanna were created. Saptannani Srishtva. Trini Annani Atmartham Akarot. Of these seven, three were for oneself. Akarot. Iti Uktam. Tani etani Pangta Karma Phala Bhutani Vyakhyatani. Tani Kani?
Trini Annani.
Saptannani. Why only Trini? Saptannani, Pangta was used to create Saptanna. So therefore, all of them are Pangta Karma Phala. They are result of that only. This Vyakhyanam is done. Tika. Tesham tat phalatve praman abhavam adaya shankate. Somebody is saying there is no pramanam that these seven annani, they are Pangta Karma Phalani. There is no pramanam for that. Pramana abhavam adaya shankate. Tatra katham punah pangtasya karmanah phalam etani iti. Katham, how, punah pangtasya karmanah phalam. How do you say these are the result of the pangta karma? Uchyate. See in Tika. Prakritam Vyakhyanam Saptamyartha. Prakritam Tatra. Saptami is Tatra. Karya Lingakam Anumanam Pramanayan Uttaram Aha. Karya Lingaka Anumanam is given as Pramanam. Seeing the Karya, you can recognize Karanam in this way. So Karya will become Linga. Linga means Hetu. Karya Lingakam Samasa Vigraha. How will you do Samasa Vigraha? Karya Lingakam. ये बहुव्रीहि समास है.
Karyam Lingam Yasya Saha Karyalingakam.
Karyalingakam. When you do Vigraha, then Ka should not come. Karyam Lingam Yasya Saha Karyalingakam. Anumanam. Means Karya is the Linga in that anumanam. Such anumanam is called karyalingakam. प्रमाणयन उत्तरम आह उच्यते अनुमानम एव स्फुटयितुम अन्येषु पांगतत्व अवगतिम दर्शयति. So to explain the anumanam means to make the anumanam clear. In the anna, panktatva is there. Panktatva avagatim. Avagatim jnanam. That in annam, saptannam, panktatva is there. That is what Acharya shows now. Yasmat teshu api trishu anneshu panktata avagamyate. In those three anna, all seven also, but here three in particular, panktata is there. Pitta karmano ho api tatra sambhavat. And there pankta means daivam vittam, manusham vittam is also there. Pitta karmano ho api tatra sambhavat. Tatra, second number tippani, annatraye sambhavat. See the anumanam. Atrayam prayogaha. Vimatam pankta karma phalam annatrayam panktam पांगतत्व संभावना आस्पदत्वात् साधारणादि अन्न चतुष्टयवत् इति. What is the sadhya? Everybody knows where I am asking. Third number tippani. What is sadhya? So Ekadashi means you can answer the question in class. Huh? Maunam. Huh?
पान्तकर्मफलम्
What is,
अन्नत्रयम् पङ्क्तत्वम्.
what was my question? What is sadhya?
अन्नत्रयम् पङ्क्तत्वम्.
No, only panktatvam. Only panktatvam. Annatrayam is in paksha. Pankta karma phalam also you can. Annatrayam is paksha basically. Annatrayam is paksha. Annatrayam panktam. Why? Panktatva sambhavana aspadatvat. Pankta karma phalam actually is not required there. Vimatam annatrayam. Where is the, what is paksha? What is the definition of paksha? Sandigdha sadhyavan paksha. So where is sandeha? Annatraya. What is it regarding? Whether it is panktam or not. This vang, mana, prana, are they made up of the pankta, yajamana, etc. or not? This is the sandeha. So annatrayam panktam. Why? Panktatva sambhavana aspadatvat. Siddhanti is anumanam is this. That because it is panktatva sambhavana aspada. Aspada means ashraya. Those who are studying Vyakarana, they also have to increase their Sanskrit vocabulary. Both are required. If you know Vyakarana Sutras, but if you don't have vocabulary, you will not know where to put these, what are these words. Both you will have, that's why you have to keep reading Sanskrit literature. Means more bhashya, tika, you keep reading, and every such word that comes, you have to look into something so that you know what these are. Otherwise, you have memorized sutras, but you will not know what these words mean. and some words have some specific context. So pang tattva sambhavna aspadatvat. How sadharanadi anna chatushtayvat, the other anna chatushtaya, they are also pangta. Therefore this anna traya also will be pangta. In this way anumanam is done. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।